Hi, Bulldog gardeners! Last month, we planted seeds and learned about germination, the process of a seed sprouting. Out in the garden, our seeds have sprouted or germinated, and the baby plants, also known as seedlings, are growing. This month, we will check their growth to see how big they are getting. And we will learn how plants change from tiny seedlings into growing plants. We will discover how plants do things like use their leaves to absorb energy from the sun and use their roots to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. We will watch our plants grow and make progress, completing their life cycles. Speaking of life cycles, something that is kind of interesting to think about is that both the first step and the last step in the life cycle of many plants is the seed. During the first step, the seed containing the baby plant germinates and begins to grow. And in the last step, that same plant makes a whole bunch of new seeds. But how do those new seeds, tucked inside the flower, end up planted in the soil? Plants actually have clever ways to get their seed from the flower to the soil. In fact, there are 5 ways seeds travel, and we will learn all of them. Here are some things to think about between now and your lesson in the garden. First, I want you to think about something very important that goes on inside plant leaves. I mentioned already that we are going to learn about how plants use their leaves to use the energy from the sun. Another neat thing leaves do is provide us with oxygen. Take a deep breath. You just inhaled oxygen. Now breathe out. You just exhaled carbon dioxide. When you are in the garden, the carbon dioxide you breathe out gets absorbed by the many leaves around us. In return, plants release oxygen from their leaves, which is great because that's what you and I need to breathe. Isn't that interesting? 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade, we will learn more about that during our garden lesson. Plant parts. Can you name the parts of a plant? Here are the main ones.
Roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit.
While you are thinking about plant parts, something fun to think of is what plant parts do we eat when we eat vegetables? For example, what plant part am I eating when I eat a carrot or lettuce? Have fun thinking about all these things, and I am really looking forward to seeing you out in the garden during October to learn about how plants grow and how seeds travel. Bye for now, Bulldog gardeners. Okay, so out in our garden, this is a perfect example of our plant life cycle starting back over. We have these tall, mature flowers, and inside their seed pods, in the middle of the flower, when the flowers are dry, the seeds fall around in the same area, and you can see our seedlings or baby plants starting all over again. So we didn't plant these seeds. The seeds travel from the parent plant to make new baby plants. And that's how our life cycle starts over with seeds. Bye for now, Bulldog Gardeners.